your United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor! The F-22 possesses the ability to point its nose at will, even at extremely low airspeeds and high angles of attack. Watch closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and executes a 360-degree aileron roll. At altitude, the jet will then flip backwards and level off. Execute an immediate 360-degree flat turn, then reverse the turn in the opposite direction. All in under 3,500 feet of altitude and under complete control. Utilizing the vector thrust of two powerful engines, which will literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Following the power loop, you'll see the Raptor perform the loaded roll. Ladies and gentlemen, to my favorite song, the power loop. And then under complete control, the F-22 Raptor will actually slide backwards.
I've been having
and cycles its weapons bay doors. Folks, if you ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer. Stop till we're legend. J-turn reposition.